Good day, guys. Bing here. First, good news. I have a new microphone, but the bad news is I'm not sure how to set it to achieve the best outcome. And I don't know how to reduce the noise. Hopefully, this just at least it's better than the previous one. Okay, so today I'm going to just quickly, because I think this one there was some. Okay, so sorry about that. Let me just find that. So this is a sketch from Kashmir. Okay, so this is a window frame. So the issue is the frames. These middle mullions. They are not. Let me just check. Sorry. The problem is middle frames don't move along radius of frame or bottom frame. So yep, okay. So it looks like okay. So when we need to make this window fully parametric, sometimes we need to change the size of these, and then these mullion probably not facing the correct direction or not moving properly. So okay, let's just try to fix this one. So I just quickly, let me just close. I didn't do a full Windows, but I just have a test of some ideas. So as you can see, so this is a window. Just pretend it's a window, and then these are the middle mullions, and I just make them so they will. We can control. So this is a degree from middle, so that's 5 degrees depending on and also we can change the size or not using the degree. So it's 30 degree. So if you connect the edge with the center point of this curve, that's 30 degree, and then this is 5 degree from here. So if we change this one to 10 degrees, so all these mullion will move, and it's still facing the correct direction. Okay. Oh, it looks like I forgot to close that one, but that's fine. Just leave it on. And also for this window, we can change the radius of this window. So for example, if I change this one to 10 meter radius, and of course it make it bigger, and then maybe I should change the radius of the wall as well. So yeah, so basically that's it, and so let's do it. So I'll just close this one. I'll save it in case I forgot how to do it again. Okay, so I'll just close everything here, close this one, and close this one. So first we need to create a window family. Okay, so window family, and okay, so now here, so don't worry about this wall, pretend it's not there, HH maybe. And for the opening, I'll leave it for now, and we will delete it. Okay, so first let's draw a reference plane. Okay, so this is a reference plane for the center point of the arc, the arc of the window or the arc of the wall. So this is for that center point, and add a dimension to this reference plane, and then we add a parameter. Let's call it R and instance. Okay, so the next step is we are going to use reference lines for this exercise. So go to create reference line and use this start and radius arc, and start from this point. I'll just draw it roughly. Okay, so maybe from this point, wrong one. Use center and arc. Sorry. And then start. So I'll just roughly draw it from here to here. Okay, so now select this reference line and turn on the center mark visible. So basically, should be okay. You shouldn't need to align and lock, but in case this family doesn't work, and we will come back to lock it. So for now, we just need this radius, and I'll just link this to this. So I'll just go here and do this. So yeah, of course you can see it just go up. So maybe we should align it. Okay, so and the lock, and just make sure just align to this reference plane as well. Okay, so now what we need to do next is currently these two endpoints, they are not locked onto, although there's reference plane, they might want to stay with this reference plane, but sometimes they just, they might change their mind. So what we're going to do is, I'm not going to lock them onto this reference plane, okay? I'm going to use dimension because I just want these arc to center with this reference plane. So dimension, reference plane, this end and this end, and just equal them. Okay, so the next step is hang on, let me think. Okay, so select this reference line and see this one. So click on this one. This will give you an angle dimension. So from this angle dimension, we can create a parameter. I'll just call it A and instance. So this we can use this to control. So for example, I want this to be 45 degree, okay? And then 45 degrees from here to here, okay? And then we can also change the radius of this one. So for example, I'll change this to 1 meter radius. So yeah, but this you can see still 45 degree, but because we changed the curve, the radius of this curve, so it also changed the radius, the length of this curve. So I think it's we can calculate the width or the length, but it's not this exercise. Okay, so let's click OK, and so this is the shape. So basically what we need to do is we need to have that profile of the mullion, so move along this, right? So okay, so now maybe let's just create a profile so we can create that mullion. Okay, so go family, and we're going to create a profile here, and okay. So I'll just quickly reference plan RP and oops, RP again, dimension DI. So as you can see all my shortcut here, but most of the time I'll tell you what I'm typing. Okay, so that's it. That's the profile. So I'm going to just add a dimension and create a parameter. So create. Let's call it W1 type. Make sure type parameter for profile W2. And okay, so now that this is it, maybe I'll just change them to maybe 50 by 50, and of course you can create. So for example, in this sketch, so you have this shape. You can do it there. You can create those shapes. But for this exercise, I'm just going to demonstrate. So I'm not going to go that detail. So load this into here. Now we need to place that, create those mullions. But today we're going to try something different. Okay, so always try something different, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to create them using sweep, and we're going to start from this point instead of there. Okay, so now let me show you how. So click on sweep, and we need to create a sweep by path. Okay, Okay, so now go to left view, and you can see this is a reference plane we lock that center mark on. So we're going to use this reference plane. So pick line, lock, oh sorry, not lock, pick this, oh hang on, something's, sorry, wrong one, Control Z. So we need to set work plane first because we want to create onto this. So which means we need to set work plane onto center, left, and right reference plane, which is this one. Okay, so you can do it here, or you can go here and do it on using this list. So center, left, right. Click OK. Now you can pick this reference plane. So I'll lock it, and I'll use AL, and lock it along these two endpoints onto this. So this is seal height, this is head height. Okay, so yeah, so now the next step is, so this is the path of the sweep. So finish this, and we need to edit profile. So let's click on, oh sorry, not edit profile, so pick profile. So we already did the profile, right? So family 11. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'll just go to 3D view so I can tell whether it's in the correct direction. So maybe I'll change the scale a little bit. So yeah. Okay, so now you can see this profile sit in the middle. Okay, so and then we can finish it. Okay, so this is it, and then we can adjust the offset. So first I want to try horizontal. Okay, so maybe I'll just type 100. Go the other way. So which means we do not have a negative offset. So that's good, and then the offset value or offset amount will equal this radius, but because it's a negative. So what we can do is we can create an R negative. Okay, so instance, and OK, and OK. Go to family types, go R negative, negative R, apply. Okay, so now you will see this Mullion go here. So the next step is, because this one's just sitting in the middle, we want to move it. So if I go to floor plan, you can see if I type in some value here, 100 will move this way, but it's not facing the right direction. So how can we fix it? So we can fix it, of course. So first we need to so just give it an angle. So because when you move to this way, there's an angle between this reference plane and this direction. So from this Mullion and to this center point. Okay, so there's an angle. So we're going to create an angle for now. So let's just create an angle B and an instance, and OK, and OK. So let's just type in a small number. So maybe 3 degrees. So 3 degrees. Okay, you can see because we already linked this B into the angle of this one, so it rotates once we type in 3. And also because the direction of the is not right, we just need to create another one. So this time I'll just create a B negative in an instance, and OK, and OK. So we just go to B negative equals negative B. So this will at least make this Mullion in the right direction. So the next one is, so we can see it's just move, this one's currently move in this direction, but we need to adjust depending on the angle depending on this. So actually what I'm going to do is, so this is a sketch I did. So when we move this Mullion to somewhere here, so this reduced the offset from this point to this, and we need to so for example here, so if I move to here, so this go all the way, sorry about that. So maybe I'll just remove this, and as you can see, this is the previous R, the offset R, and then once there's an angle here, I'll call this B, and then this reduce the offset, so become this one, which is this in this triangular shape. So a little bit trigonometry, we can calculate what this one needs to be. And also in the other direction, in this offset direction. So you can see from here to here. So this need to be calculated as well, and also depending on the angle, this one it will be different. So now go here. So let's go create this one. So offset, let's have a look. It will be offset. Sorry. Okay, here. So this one. So what's this one linked to? RN. Why? Oh, so RN. Anyway, sorry. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to give a formula to Rn. It's not only negative R, but also we need to type. We need to times it with a. I think let's have a look in here. Cosine B. Okay, so times cosine B, bracket B. So and apply. So now you will see it move down a little bit, just sit on the right direction, I believe. Okay, so yeah, so you can see in here. And then we need another one, another offset. So this time, so is I think it's this one. I'll just type in so this is 100, right? So type 200. Okay, so we need to create another one. So this time let's call this, what do we call this? Offset OFS I'll just call it offset instance, and okay. And okay, so go to family types, offset equals, so I'm going to use this one. I guess we can just change this one to sine, S-I-N, and apply. Okay, so wrong one. Okay, so we don't need a negative. Apply. Yes, so that's much better. So now you can see it sits. So this angle, so if I if I dimension this angle with this edge, it will be 3 degrees, right? Okay, I'll just leave it here. Oops, go down. I'll delete it. Anyway, so now let's have a try. So 3 degrees, 5 degrees, it will move along this edge. 10 degrees. Okay, so this is how we can do it using a sweep and use offset and an angle. So all these 3 parameters. So basically that's it. So now if I need another one here, so I just Control C and align to same location. So we need to swap these. So this one to be, this one should be fine. This one direction should be fine. This one need to go the other way. So I'll just create a new one. So offset negative instance, and okay. So go click on this one. Offset negative equals negative offset. Apply, and okay. So go the other way. And also we just need to change this one to another one. So is that angle? Angle NB now, change to B. Yeah, oh good. So now if I change this, so we'll see both of them should go with maybe I'll tell it, because when you copy and paste, so it will lose the constraint. So if I change the radius, I'll do a test. If I change the radius, still good. If I change angle of this window to 330, it looks like okay. So which is good. Yeah. Anyway, hang on, did I just change the height? No, we don't have any height, so it doesn't matter. Change the radius again. Yeah, I think it works. Okay, so that's good. So if it doesn't work, so you just need to go edit sweep and then go, I think you can just go at sketch path, go to the left view, and then you just try to constrain it. So onto, so for example, you can just align and lock, and just align and lock, just to, so make sure it works. Okay, so, and I think this is it. So you can control these two Mullion, use this parameter. So and also the use this angle and use radius. So I'll just quickly this opening, because this opening is on a straight, on a flat, on a vertical wall. Sorry, not on a straight wall. So it won't work if we create if we need a curved window on a curved wall. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, so delete the opening, and so go to floor plan. So we can just do a sweep void, or maybe actually sometimes when you do void, it will automatically cut anything along the path. So it's good to create a solid first. So, and I'm going to use pick path and pick this reference line. Okay, so finish, go edit profile. So we go to left again, and we can use pick this reference line. Oh, sorry, reference plan lock, and just make sure it's deep enough. I think this should be enough. Okay, so this is enough. Finish, go to 3D view. So finish this solid, because it's solid, it will not automatically cut anything, and it will not disappear. So now you can select it and change it into void, and then you can manually cut this. Cut the wall, use this void. Okay, so now this is it. So basically that's a pretend that's a window frame, and these are the two Mullion, and also the window a void to cut the wall. So now let's just create a project and test it. Okay, so so this is the architectural project. So let's just create a wall. So I just maybe make it 5 meter radius. So okay, so this is a 5 meter radius curved wall. So let's go back, family, load this into the project, and place it on this. So currently it's not right. I'll just flip it. Currently this not right, not in the center. So we just need to adjust. So first we change a radius to 5 meter to match the wall. Okay, and then the next step is we need to adjust the window, the angle window. So for example, I want this to be 30 degree or 40 degree or 20 degree, and yeah, that's it. And then so we use this angle to so if I type 0, both of them will go into the middle. Okay, center, and then once type in 1 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, and if I do a dimension from this middle, use the angular parameter, so you will see that's 2 degree. So this is how you can control this these Mullions, and also make sure they facing the correct direction. Okay, so and also I think you can somehow you can use some parameters to calculate the width of the window as well. So I'll just leave that to you. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope this will can fix your problem, Kashma. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please let me know how I'm not sure about the sound, the voice. Please give me some feedback. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.